Hi everyone, welcome to another session on It's Global. Today we are in New Delhi. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ezequiel Rodríguez. I'm the head of DevX in Rootstock Labs. Here you have my contact information if you want to reach me out. Also, you can reach Rootstock on the official Discord channel. So if you still don't know what is Rootstock, let me say that it's the first and longest Bitcoin sidechain. It's secured by Bitcoin proof of work through merge mining. We are fully EVM compatible, so this means that you can deploy all your Ethereum smart contracts with us, which this will enable DeFi Bitcoin, hosting a variety of applications, protocols, and other services. So if you ask me which is the best benefit that you can get from Rootstock, is that it is designed to combine the best world of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you will have from Ethereum the security and store of value, and from Ethereum you will get the compatibility and programmability. So let's get some insights on what makes Rootstock so outstanding. So first, as I mentioned before, the security with the merge mining. Also, we have the two-way proof of work secure peg, which means that one Bitcoin equals one RBTC, which is our native token. Everything is open source, so you can check everything on GitHub and on our GitHub repositories on /RSK Smart or /Rootstock. Also, as a store of value, as I mentioned before, also is the RBTC, which is pegged one-to-one with Bitcoin, and is our native token, so you will pay gas fees with RBTC. Compatibility. We are fully EVM compatible, so not only you can deploy your smart contract, but we also support all the token standards like ERC20, 1155, 721, and so on. And the last one, scalability. If you want to do a transaction on Bitcoin, it will take up to 10 minutes for the block to be merged. With Rootstock, in average, you have 24 seconds. Also, the transaction fee is much, much lower. As you can see, it's around 20 cents. And as an update, we are progressing on the microprobe project, which will allow us to increase the block time to only 5 seconds. So that will be massive once it's released. Okay, from a dev point of view, why you want to be on Rootstock? This is our actually hard metrics that you can check. We have 400 million in TVL. We have 100% uptime in mainnet since January 2018. We have more than 125,000 wallets on Rootstock. On average, 80% of the Bitcoin merge mining hash rate, it's now. 24 seconds block time, 225,000 transactions each month, and almost 300 Bitcoins locked on the POPEG. The POPEG, if you want also to check, it's on the popeg.rootstock.io. This is a slide which, for space constraints, I can show you all the partners that we have on board, but as you can see, it's full. And also, from the devs perspective, we have all the main platforms like Alchemy, Etherweb, Etherspot, Gelato, and Tenderly. Activator. This is a contribution program that actually is getting a lot of engagement from the community. Actually, a lot of people around the venue come to the booth to say hi in person. We are going to release next Tuesday the version 3 of the program, which will have now a proper platform online. So check the landing page on rootstock.io/Activator. And the program consists on basically two types of contribution, code, and educational content. and both are up to $1,000 in rewards. Rootstock Collective. If you want to be part of the community, you can be, and you are a developer, you can be a builder. This is when you get actual support from the community with actual funding. And if you are not a developer, but you also want to participate on Rootstock, you can be a backer. So you will stake your RIF tokens and then support or back a builder, as we call it, to get some rewards. One of our partners that actually came from the collective is DApp Protocol, which is a bridging cross-chain solution, which also does swapping and lending. And as you can see on the slide, 60% of the rewards was already distributed through the collective. If you want to check them out, it's at dapp.io. Okay. Regarding the tracks today on the hackathon, we have 3 tracks. One is the Everyday DeFi track, which is for yield strategies, lending, vaults, and liquidity pools. Then, if you have another innovative idea, it can be with a Freestyle track. Most of you use it for the AI content, AI agents, AI prediction markets, and so on. Also for cross-chain and governance is more than it fits this track. And the last track is the RIF economy, which is everything related with our utility token RIF. So again, if you want to do a staking or payments or Telegram mini apps, also apply for this track. A couple of months ago, on another session in Bangkok, we released the announcements of the Rootstock Attestation Service. So a couple of weeks ago, we released the off-chain attestation. We already have the on-chain, but now also you can do off-chain. If you still don't know what is the attestation service in general, it's basically to several use cases. For example, if you want to have a virtual identity, you can use it to attest who you are or who you said you are. Same happen with reputation systems and, for example, for proof of funds, right? So this, for example, the proof of funds, it's able to avoid using an escrow because you are attesting that you have actually the funds. Replit. We have an official account, Rootstock DevEx, with a lot of starter kits and projects already there. They are all fork and play projects, so you can actually create your account if you don't know about Replit, fork the project, and just press the play button, and you will just run everything on the cloud. You don't need to install anything on your laptop. It's all on the cloud. Regarding the project that we already have there, it's the CLI, an AI agent, lot of starter kits with WAGMI, Reown and private integrations, Hardhat, also Foundry that I missed here. And our last release was the Rootstock Scaffold. So if you all know about Ethereum Scaffold project, it's kind of the same. Actually, Rootstock Scaffold came from the Activator Program. It's one of our community contribution. So if you want to check it out, it's really good, and especially for a hackathon, okay? Okay, if you have any technical question or you want to check on guidelines on how to do things, check the Rootstock developer portal. It's on dev.rootstock.io. For developers, especially resources and DevTool tabs are the main one to check on all the material that you will ask. Also, you will have a lot of context regarding on Rootstock and how it works, the POPEG and other stuff. We just released also a couple of weeks ago the Rootstock MCP. So if you want to, we take advantage of the Rootstock CLI that I mentioned that it's also on Replit. It allows you to do whatever you want to do on crypto, leveraging on the CLI, like deploying a smart contract, creating a wallet, doing transfers, and a lot of more of use cases directly from the prompt. So you can, MCP right now, it's the trending topic, so we are on it, we release it, and we expect feedback from you guys if you are using it. And not only that, from this, we also, because we are using inside the company, we release the NPM package, so you can integrate directly on your Cursor IDE and use it directly on your IDE. So if you are working on a project, you can check, for example, the status of a transaction, deploy your contracts from the context of the project. So it's all in there. And it's like following 2-3 steps and it's done, okay? Okay, as you saw on the booth, we have the RIF Me Up campaign. So sharing on your social networks regarding RIF staking and other activities, you will get rewarded. So please check it out.